Upgrade your ride with Hype-Tech picks as we showcase the best clipless pedals for mountain bike, built for maximum power transfer, control, and efficiency. Experience pedals that keep you connected, confident, and dominating every trail with precision and ease. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Shimano Deore PD-M9100. The Shimano Deore PD-M9100 is a premium choice for mountain bikers seeking a blend of durability, performance, and comfort. One of its standout features is the extended pedal-to-shoe contact area, which provides exceptional stability and power transfer with every stroke. This is particularly valuable during long rides or technical climbs, as it reduces fatigue and improves efficiency. The pedal also incorporates an integrated cage that shields the binding mechanism from impacts, ensuring that it remains reliable even in rugged conditions. Robust retention claws further enhance the riding experience, offering smooth engagement and release that allows for confident clipping in and out, regardless of terrain or riding style. Riders can also customize their experience with adjustable entry and release tension settings, accommodating personal preferences and skill levels. This flexibility is crucial for both beginners and advanced riders who demand precision and control from their pedals. Additionally, the pedal's performance under varying conditions, whether muddy trails, wet surfaces, or dry rocky paths, is impressive, offering consistent engagement without slipping. Its weight is balanced for optimal performance without adding unnecessary bulk to your bike, which is important for riders who value both speed and agility. Overall, the Shimano Deore PD-M9100 is an excellent choice for riders seeking a robust, reliable, and highly functional mountain bike pedal. Its combination of extended contact area, adjustable tension, and durable construction makes it a versatile pedal suitable for everything from trail riding to more aggressive enduro challenges. Riders looking for a pedal that delivers confidence, stability, and long-term durability will find the PD-M8120 to be a smart investment that enhances every ride.
Number 2. Shimano XTR PD-9100S1 with Cleat. The Shimano XTR PD-9100S1 represents the pinnacle of high-performance cross-country and cyclocross racing pedals, designed for riders who demand excellence in every aspect of their mountain biking experience. Built with precision and top-tier materials, this pedal ensures unparalleled pedaling stability and efficiency. One of its most notable features is the wide bearing placement and low platform height, which work together to optimize power transfer from rider to bike. This results in a more responsive ride, especially on technical climbs or sprinting sections, giving riders a competitive edge. The PD-9100S1 is also designed to excel in all weather conditions, with excellent mud shedding capabilities thanks to its rounded edges and open design. Riders can clip in and out effortlessly, even in wet or muddy environments, which is essential for XC and CX racing. Durability is another hallmark of this pedal, featuring a robust chrome moly spindle paired with a low-maintenance sealed bearing cartridge axle that ensures longevity and consistent performance over time. Despite its strength, the pedal is remarkably lightweight, weighing only 314 grams per pair, reducing rotational mass for faster acceleration and smoother handling. Installation and maintenance are straightforward, while the included cleats provide reliable engagement that doesn't compromise on comfort. For riders who push their limits on competitive trails, the XTR PD-9100S1 delivers confidence, precise control, and consistent performance. Its engineering ensures every stroke counts, whether climbing steep terrain or sprinting on flats. With a focus on stability, efficiency, and all-condition reliability, this pedal is ideal for serious cyclists who value both performance and innovation. The Shimano XTR PD-9100S1 with Cleat is not just a pedal, it's an essential component for high-level XC and CX riders aiming to maximize their efficiency and dominate the trail. Its balance of strength, precision, and lightweight design makes it a top choice for anyone serious about mountain biking. Number 3. Look, Cycle, X-Track, and Rage Plus. The Look, Cycle, X-Track, and Rage Plus pedal are designed specifically for enduro riders who demand maximum control, power transfer, and durability on challenging trails. With a large platform offering 664mm squared of contact surface, these pedals ensure stable foot positioning even during high-speed descents or aggressive cornering. The addition of crampons and a ribbed body enhances grip, providing security whether riding with shoes or barefoot. And the side support guides the foot into the optimal position for engagement. Reliability is at the core of the X-Track and Rage Plus design. Its mechanism functions smoothly in all conditions, including mud, sand, or dry terrain, while allowing debris to flow through without affecting performance. The forged aluminum body offers solid resistance to impacts and is 4 times stronger than standard injected aluminum pedals, ensuring the pedal can withstand the roughest trails. The chrome moly axle adds further robustness, delivering both strength and long-term durability without adding excessive weight, as the pedals weigh only 225 grams per pair. Another key feature is the adjustable tension, which allows riders to fine-tune entry and release forces from 6 to 14, adapting the pedal to individual riding style and comfort preference.
Number 4. Crank Brothers Eggbeater 3. The Crank Brothers Eggbeater 3 pedals are a legendary choice for mountain bikers seeking lightweight, reliable, and high-performing clipless pedals. These pedals are built with premium quality components, including IGUS inboard bearings, Enduro outboard bearings, and double-lip seals that provide unparalleled durability and smooth operation. Known for their minimalist design and featherweight construction, the Eggbeater 3 pedals have long been favored in cross-country and trail riding, where reducing weight without sacrificing performance is crucial. Their 4-sided entry mechanism allows for effortless clipping in from multiple angles, while the customizable float and release angles enable riders to adjust the pedal to their personal preferences. This adaptability improves comfort during long rides and ensures a confident connection to the bike under challenging conditions. Mud shedding is exceptional thanks to the open design that prevents debris buildup and maintains consistent engagement regardless of terrain. The pedals are crafted from stainless steel for both the body and wings, supported by a chromoly spindle, ensuring strength and longevity.
Number 5. Funn Mamba Mountain Clipless Pedal. The Funn Mamba Mountain Clipless Pedal is a versatile and robust option for riders tackling enduro, freeride, trail, and downhill terrain. Its double-sided SPD-compatible clip-in mechanism ensures quick and secure engagement, giving riders excellent control and confidence, whether they are new to clipless pedals or experienced mountain bikers, allowing for efficient power transfer during intense rides. The patented Grease Renew System, GRS, simplifies maintenance, enabling riders to renew pedal grease within 60 seconds without messy procedures, keeping the pedals performing optimally over time. The International Standard 9x16" chromoly axle with sealed cartridge bearing and DU bushing adds extra strength and longevity, ensuring that the pedals withstand rigorous off-road conditions. This combination of a sturdy axle system, high-quality materials, and user-friendly maintenance makes the Funn Mamba an ideal choice for demanding riders. The pedal's design is optimized for versatility, working well across multiple disciplines, from BMX to gravel and mountain biking, making it a go-to option for riders who enjoy exploring different terrains. Thanks for tuning in to Hype Tech Picks. These best clipless pedals for mountain bike options are designed to boost your performance, control, and confidence on every trail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch more top gear reviews.